CRA is established 10 years back, and to promote technologies, we established STEM labs in schools, Center of Excellence Industry 4.0 in colleges, and to promote technologies, we do various summits and conferences. Like we give various opportunities to new entrepreneurs, promoting innovations in the country, how we can make India a global leader in technologies. So for that, we organize summits, conferences, in which we invite international participation as well. So before briefing it further, I would like to show a small profile video of our organization, which will give you a fair idea that what ICRA is all about and what activities we are doing. So I just request to play ICRA profile. I have participation across the globe, in which opportunities are given to promote their brands and services. Second, we do for education promotion, we do India STEM Summit and Awards. We have already done same 5 editions of that also, in which educational companies, schools, colleges are actually awarded for their contribution to the EdTech sector and what EdTech is promoting, like EdTech opportunities are there, what EdTech companies are providing to bridge up the gap between academics and industry requirements. So all those things are promoted. And then we are the organizer of Robotics World Cup. Like we organize Robotics Championship in India. We have done 7 editions of the same. 8th edition we are going to organize in next month, August. And there we are expecting 50 countries to participate. Last year 25 countries participated, in which various kind of bots students prepare. They come to India, they compete, they win. So that's how robotics and automation is promoted through the championships as well. Startup Mahakumbh, if I talk about Startup Mahakumbh, this is the 4th edition we are going to organize. Past 3 editions, first we have done in Delhi, second we have done in Bangalore, third again we have done in Delhi, and fourth, this year we are actually targeting a big audience. We are going to organize it in Yashobhoomi, which is a very prominent convention center newly built up area in Delhi, and in which all ministry level concepts are promoted. And this will have 800 plus exhibitors, like 800 plus companies will be promoting their brands and services. This can be new entrepreneurs or the existing ones also. So definitely, it's basically giving opportunity to the companies to promote their brand, to have investment opportunities from various private as well as government sector. There are so many schemes launched by Indian government for various sectors, but somehow it doesn't reach the right segment and people are unaware of it. So we create a platform wherein we bring industry, academics and government sector all at one platform, wherein government in conference they speak about their initiatives, and the industry leaders also speak in the conferences. Then second part is the exhibition wherein companies can promote their brand and services. And promotion is across the globe. It's not limited to who are coming over there to participate. It's across, like on social media, we all know that it's having huge impact on our lives these days. So we promote hugely in that also. Third is the award ceremony. Awards are a very awaited one by the companies which are done by AICRA. So awards, where we have 40 different categories in that. So anyone can, as per their working segment, they can contribute and they can nominate themselves. And if they win, we invite ministry level people from state as well as central. So getting an award from a prominent minister, so definitely it gives good business mileage to them. Fourth segment we have introduced in this startup Dangal. We have created a platform wherein investment opportunities will be available for the new entrepreneurs. So for Startup Mahakumbh, to make more understanding, we have created a theme song. Actually, startups, when we say, it's not limited to any age group, or anyone can have any new idea at any point of time. So promoting that idea, ICRA is always giving opportunities, first hand-holding to the new entrepreneurs and bringing them to the next level. So I would just like to play a small theme song of Startup Mahakumbh. Today, there is a championship going on in Azerbaijan. So he is out there for that national championship. That's how he is not able to come. So I'll start with my presentation giving you more idea that what all opportunities we have in this startup Mahakumbh to offer to the entrepreneurs. It's not limited to only startups, definitely any company can participate. Whosoever wants to build their brand or promote their services, they can definitely participate. And we actually look forward participation from Rajasthan as well. We want to create pavilions, like every state is going to create their pavilions. So definitely my motive here, coming here, is to give you a fair idea that what can be done together, how we can make it more successful together.
Is there any pre-registration for this?
The registrations are already open. The dates of the event are very close now. It's
What is the link of registration?
I'll definitely share with you, sir. Sure.
Is Rajasthan government taking part there?
So it's under discussion right now. It's not concluded yet, but due to this COC, yesterday only, I think till now also COC is not removed. So then only decision will be taken. This is how it's getting delayed. But definitely we are expecting a positive reward.
If that is there, then what you are saying, Rajasthan Pavilion, then people can join.
Yes, of course, of course. We are in discussion for that.
This is
Yes. Next slide. So when we say India First Startup Mission, why India First? Because India First, like this is the first of its kind of initiative which is done for the startups. As I said, that this is the 4th edition we are going to organize. So since past 4 years we are organizing this Mahakumbh, and launched in 2022. In 2023 we had 2 editions. So I'll give you the elements of the complete concept. First is the steering committee. When we say steering committee, it is like ICRA is having various steering committees as per the sectors. Like we work in all sectors. Technology implementation definitely is required in all the sectors, whether it's the agri-tech sector, fintech, health tech, defense, drone. So we work in all sectors, and we have created steering committees for every sector to promote the technologies at every end. Next is the conferences and exhibitions. As I mentioned that what all conferences and exhibitions we do, we have 4 established properties. One is the STEM Summit and Awards, then Global Artificial Intelligence, then World Robotics Championship, and Startup Mahakumbh. Investors community, when we say in this startup mission, our motive is to, like, whosoever is looking for funding opportunities. We call private investors as well as government sector various departments will be participating with their initiatives, maybe in the form of grants, loans, or funding opportunities. So whatever they have to offer, they will be discussing in the conference and definitely downloading all those benefits to the startups. So we have investors community. In this particular conclave, if I talk about, there will be 250 plus investors who will be available to interact with all the startups, to give them opportunities if they are looking forward for the funding. It's not necessary that every startup looks for fund. Like some are here who are self-sustained bodies also, but कुछ हैं ऐसे भी जिनको फंड की भी जरूरत होती है. Maybe to certain level you have achieved wherein you have done on your own funds and all, but to expand more you need more funds, right? So those kind of opportunities will be available. Then startup awards, there will be 40 different categories in this particular Mahakumbh. You can choose as per your sector, as per your working area. You can choose multiple also. It's not that you can choose only one. So as per your working segment, you can choose and nominate for category. And if you win, you will definitely get awarded by any of the prominent personality. We usually call cabinet ministers to give away my awards. So it gives good mileage as a business promotion also. Then we have startup B2B portal Grapes.sg. Grapes is basically global resource for automation projects and enterprise services. It's a B2B platform launched by AICRA in which you can list down about your services, because major startups are tech-based startups. So there are tech solutions, maybe you are some kind of AI solution provider. So you can list down your solutions over there, and whosoever is looking forward for those solutions, they can consult you through that portal. So this is a portal launched for the business promotion basically. So whosoever will be participating in startup, their services will be listed on this portal. Next is government startup roundtables. Government startup roundtables. roundtables play a very vital role in policy framework and strategic discussions, which are actually required at what challenges industry is facing. So when government and discussions and changes are taken forward. So roundtable meetings, when we say that, again will be sector specific. Like Agritech will have one meeting wherein industry and academics, industry and government will be present. They will be discussing. Industry can definitely openly discuss that what challenges they are facing, and government can also say that what initiatives they are taking. So further policy and discussions are taken forward in these roundtables. For global trade development, we organize global summits in which we call like multinational companies to come over. Actually, India these days, if I talk about, people across the globe look India as a prominent place to invest. They are looking forward to promote their partnerships in India. So we promote those kind of activities as well in our summits. In this particular summit, we are expecting a lot many international countries to have their pavilions also. Few countries have already confirmed also. So let's see, they will be creating their pavilion with their product development and their scope of work in India. Next. Okay. So these are the numbers which we are expecting. Like definitely, when we discuss anything conceptually with exact numbers, it gives more impact and right path towards where we need to go. So 1,000 exhibitors we are expecting in this. 250 plus investors will be there. 75 plus government entities will be there. When we say government entities, it will be ministries and their departments. 50,000 plus delegates will be there. When I say delegates, they will be the decision makers. They won't be the junior position executives, these kind of people. They will be owners, founders, CEO people who will be participating in the conclave. Then definitely it gives good business partnerships. So those things can be explored. International delegation, we are expecting 2,000 plus people to participate. Some may put their pavilion or some may just participate to explore the opportunities. Next. In this Startup Mahakumbh, we are going to create various pavilions. As I said, that 1,000 exhibitors will be there. So they will be segregated as per the pavilions. First will be the international pavilion. So various countries will be putting their pavilions. Then industry-specific pavilions will be there. Like Agritech sector will have one pavilion, defense will have one, education will have one, health tech, fintech. So every sector will be having their different pavilions. So whosoever is visiting the area, visiting the Startup Mahakumbh, they know that where exactly they want to go. If I talk about investors also, they are very clear that which company they want to invest. Because sometimes investors also have a fair idea that they want to invest in agritech sector or they want to invest in drone sector. So there are those ways like pavilions will be created. Then state-sponsored pavilions. As I mentioned that we have already confirmed participation from Karnataka, J&K, UP, NABARD will be participating. So these are the confirmed. Rest are in discussion. So as now code of conduct is over, so maybe we will be getting the confirmation soon. So state-sponsored pavilions will be there. Then incubators and accelerators pavilion. Incubators, like all the startups are usually they are associated with some or other incubators. So they will be putting their pavilions and promoting their startups further. In this, like if I talk about, we have confirmed participation from IIT Chennai, then IIT Hyderabad, IIT Delhi. So they will be, their incubation centers will be putting their pavilions over there.
Rajasthan Manipal University is there?
Not yet, sir.
They have their own incubation center.
Yes, sir. Every university mostly have their incubation. I will not say that from Pan India all are participating, but let's see. Yes, of course, sir. Government departments booth offering schemes for startups. So various government departments also we are expecting to put their pavilions. Like in this conclave, Ministry of Electronics and IT and Ministry of Heavy Industries are associated with us. So they might be putting their booths to promote what they are having to offer to the startups.
But don't you think that 29 is your ready?
Yes, sir.
It's only a few days on that. So
Yes.
3 or 4 states are confirmed so far.
Sir, due to code of conduct, no, we are in discussion with 15 states, right? It's just that we have not got the letter in hand. Okay, due to code of conduct, you can understand, sir, they were not issuing the letter. Though it's confirmed verbally, but it's not in written right now, so I cannot communicate that thing unless I have a written letter from them. हाँ जी बिल्कुल सर हाँ जी नहीं वो तब भी कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट की वजह से ना लेटर इशू ही नहीं हुआ है अभी तक हाँ, पहले हो जी funding agencies and bank booths, so they will be putting their booths for funding opportunities. Next. Startup Dangal, as I said, that it's a platform created to give a. Actually, it will be having 4 levels. One, the person needs to create a video and that will be promoted. Second, they will need to pitch in front of investors. There will be rapid fire round. There will be question answer round from the jury. And whosoever wins will be getting a trophy for the same. Next. Startup conference also plays a very important role. It will have state representations, like we will be calling various state ministers to discuss on the state initiatives. What states are having with them to offer to the startups. Like for example, I will quote last startup. We invited MP IT Minister. At that time, O.P. Sakeja ji was the minister. So he came and it was a 20-minute session to be done by him. But it took 1.5 hours to complete that session. He was having so many things to offer to the new entrepreneurs, like whatever opportunities the state is providing. So those kind of discussions will be there. So we will be having, as I said, that pavilions will be created. So same way state ministers will be coming over, discussing about the initiatives or opportunities available. Then policy discussion will be there in roundtable meetings, plus industry leaders will be there to brief about it. Developing cross-border startup ecosystem. So inviting various countries, as I said, that various international pavilions also we are expecting. So those things will be taken forward. Next. So we are expecting here 2 senior politicians to speak, like ministers, as I said, from state as well as center, successful unicorn founders, failed startup founders also. Like when I say failed startups, it is very important and required to learn from our mistakes. If like one person, whatever mistake he has done, maybe he is unaware or whatever the reason would be, like we can learn from his mistakes. So we have invited those kind of people also here. Not only the unicorns, but failed startups also will be presenting, will be discussing, so that learnings can be made. Leading investors will be there to offer various opportunities. Roundtables meeting, as I said, that there will be sector-wise roundtable meetings to discuss on the challenges and initiatives and offerings. All the things will be discussed and further policies can be made. Next. Okay, 40 categories are there for the awards, as I already mentioned. Next. Okay. So today's agenda here is to like how we can more contribute into this Startup Mahakumbh. Maybe you can give us the suggestions that okay, these things are already here, what I described. Apart from this, what should be there? So I would like to know from all of you that how much business should be generated, how much investment people are looking forward, how many MOUs can be signed off for the new partnerships or new opportunities. So any other suggestion will be most welcome. So I would like to have an open discussion now that whatever suggestion you wish to give us, what should be there and what contributions we can have from your side to make it a more success. So anyone can start, please. Or any questions, anything which you want me to clarify more. So I would be really happy to answer that.
whatever discussed on the delegation or politician for the unicorn fair invited. So generally, when someone is exhibiting in the startups, they are more keen to interest in the business generation or keen to interest in the footfall, what kind of footfall question are joining the exhibition with the business or how much audience or how much prospects they are getting from the exhibition. So they would be to some light on that. What kind of footfall will be there.
See, as I mentioned, ma'am, that we are expecting 50,000 plus delegates to be there. So these delegates will be business to each other, and definitely the 1,000 companies who are exhibiting, they are also business to each other. Apart from this, like we are inviting all the C-suite people over there who are the decision maker for their businesses.
So my main focus or the question is कि how much, what kind of promotions we are doing that NCR local business owners can also come and see the exhibitors in the exhibition.
Sure. For promoting exhibitors, what we are doing is we are taking their interviews also who are already onboarded. We will be taking their interviews, making it live on social media, all platforms, and our reach is across the globe. So definitely it gives them good visibility. So that's all. Those things we are already doing.
You had mentioned that there is a one failures, something like that. I mean, those people who could not start their startup properly. So, on which day you are having that program? That
Failed
event.
startups
Yeah.
you are talking about. Okay, that will be in between, sir. What I'll do is I will share the agenda with you.
D-wise.
So that is, yes, we have already created D-wise agenda in which the schedule is there. So I don't remember right now, but I will definitely share that schedule.
I think that's a
Sure. We will do that.
And what is the registration link?
Registration can be, sir, it depends on how you wish to participate.
As a
Either you
visitor?
want to, as a visitor, we have two kind of participation. One is free entry is also there. As a visitor, you can definitely come free of cost. There is a, with the delegate fees is also entry is available. There is one more segment in this conclave which talks about workshops. Workshops will be having like how a person needs to pitch or how he can create a pitch deck for investment opportunities or learning more about technologies, about compliances. So there will be 6 different workshops will be there. So when I say what is the difference between visitor and delegate? So visitor will be restricted to attend those workshops. There will be certain parts of the conference which will be restricted for the free entry. But if you are a paid delegate, it's only 3,500 I think entry fees. So that will give you opportunity to attend all the parts of the conferences, workshops also.
No, if the Rajasthan Chamber of Commerce and Industry want to send a delegation actually.
Sir, as
And what sort of arrangement?
Sure. So, as I said that there is a two kind of visitors. So, what we can do is, right now what I can offer is, we can offer 10 delegate passes to each of the individuals sitting here, which will give you access to all parts of the conferences. That I can definitely offer you. Yeah, we will create a code for you. You can circulate that code along with the link. Once the person puts that code, you will get 10 visitor passes absolutely at no
The message
cost.
is the example.
हाँ,
Definitely.
सब चलेगा।
हाँ हाँ सर जी 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 वो मैं करवा अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस हाँ जी
आपका रजिस्ट्रेशन का लिंक जहाँ रजिस्टर करना है
जी
वो भी चाहिए।
हाँ श्योर सर मैं लिंक के साथ में कोड भी शेयर करूंगी ताकि आपको वो पेमेंट भी नहीं करना पड़े ठीक है
Thank you.
एनी अदर क्वेश्चंस सर
Thanks a lot.
So, sir, before concluding, I would like to just 2 minutes more, sir. That I would like to know that exactly what contributions we can have apart from free visitors, as I have already mentioned. So, whosoever wants to exhibit or any other kind of opportunity if you are looking forward. So, to make it a more success, what contributions or what participations we can have from Rajasthan Chambers? That I
We have circulated to our members,
yes, sir.
and I am sure those who are in the IT sector or in this research and development, they will be directly getting in touch with you. We have seen also from them that you can directly connect with them.
We can create a team of 15 delegates.
15, 10 we will also have.
10 I am offering to each individual, sir. Sir, I'll offer one more thing, like whosoever wants to exhibit, it's not that you just want to come as a visitor. आप इतना दूर से आएंगे तो सिर्फ visitor की तरह क्यों आएंगे? है ना? So what I would propose is you come over there, you put your services displayed over there, take exhibition booth. So for that also we will offer 25% discount on all the exhibition.
That's good.
Okay,
So
sir.
anybody wants to take part, they
Yes.
can have 25%.
25% more.
So मैंने तो कर दिया
हाँ, मैम ने ऑलरेडी पूछ लिया है। अभी मैम को डिस्काउंट भी दिया है हमने। Sorry,
You had mentioned 10% only, but then
10% is 25%.
25%.
मैंने request है ना मैंने तो कर दिया
नहीं, मैम को हमने और बेनिफिट्स ऐड करे हैं।
हाँ, थोड़ा सा ज्यादा बेनिफिट
जी सर, जरूरी नहीं है कि जो हमारे कस्टमाइज पैकेजेस हैं आपको उसी में जाना है। कई बार क्या होता है कि इसीलिए मैं जानना चाहूंगी कि आप लोग क्या चाहते हैं कि हम और क्या करें इसको और अच्छा बनाने के लिए, कि आप सब जब वहाँ आए तो आपको और ज्यादा अच्छा
आप
एक्सपीरियंस।
ये बताएं, कोई स्टार्टअप आना चाहे तो उसकी कोई रजिस्ट्रेशन है?
स्टार्टअप से वही है कि किस तरह से आना चाहता है, मतलब अगर वो अपने प्रोडक्ट को एग्जिबिट करना चाहता है,
Actually,
हाँ, तो उसके सिर्फ स्पेस का तो कॉस्ट है, लेकिन स्पेस का कॉस्ट हमने बहुत नॉमिनल रखा हुआ है। इवन नाउ वी हैव इंट्रोड्यूस स्पॉट स्पेस आल्सो, जिसमें कि वो 25,000 से स्टार्ट है। अब मैं
उसमें भी आप
25,000 में भी
25%
25% डिस्काउंट दे दूंगी तो कितना है, कम रह
yeah, I think
जाएगा।
that's good. I think
हाँ जी।
that's good. That's reasonable. Yes.
ठीक है
Quite reasonable.
जी जी।
और कोई स्टार्टअप अपनी
और
नॉलेज
इसमें सर और एक चीज है सर, मैं भूल जाऊंगी नहीं तो। So what I say is like इसमें 3 दिन का लंच भी इंक्लूड है 2 लोगों का। हाँ, तो वो भी आप देखिए बेनिफिट ही है। हाँ,
कोई स्टार्टअप अपनी नॉलेज अपग्रेड करने के लिए आना चाहता है तो उसके
उसके
लिए
लिए वर्कशॉप्स हैं ना सर।
नहीं, उसकी रजिस्टर फीस क्या लगेगी?
सर देखिए, अभी तो मैंने आप लोगों को तो फ्री ऑफर कर दिया है ना? अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट जो 3500 डेलीगेट फीस है, उससे आपको कॉन्फ्रेंस के सारे पार्ट से एक्सेस मिल जाता है, ठीक है ना? तो उसमें वर्कशॉप्स कवर होती है।
मैम आप डे वाइज आइटनरी भेज देंगे वो
श्योर सर, हाँ जी,
वो तो आ रहे हैं,
हाँ, वो रेडी है हमारा।
एक रात 10 लोगों में तो फिक्स करें।
Fast, right? One by one, we can have a quick 1-minute discussion point that what contribution you will be providing us. Is that? Can we? कहाँ से? सर आपसे स्टार्ट करें। बस एक लाइन में सिर्फ, हाँ, सर बस एक रिक्वेस्ट कर रही हूँ मैं कि एक लाइन में सिर्फ आप क्या कर सकते हैं हमारे लिए, वो अगर आप हमें बता सकें।
Well, I can only connect more people to take participation, and that becomes a promotion, which I can do as an industry partner.
Sure.
No, I think it's a very good presentation. One thing which is really coming in my mind that the startup is in concept, which is the education institutions. We really look forward, and that is where actually if this your organization can do something that we can get you linked with the education institutions over here. The number of engineering colleges out there, and the boys are looking forward actually a guidance. Then how can they can go forward? So if you can really think into that particular line, that will be much better, and you can inform us, and we can certainly get you linked up in some sort of a workshop can be organized.
That definitely can be done, sir. But इस event में उसका कैसे
We
करेंगे?
will like to participate.
Okay,
Thank you.
that's good.
राजस्थान चैप्टर तो अपने आप में आपको सपोर्ट कर रहा है।
Thank you so much.
राजस्थान चैम्बर सपोर्ट कर ही रहा है, प्लस मैं 3 यूनिवर्सिटी से डायरेक्ट कनेक्टेड हूँ, तो वहाँ पर स्टार्टअप्स का एक अपना पूरा डिपार्टमेंट अलग से बना हुआ है जिसमें बहुत सारे नए स्टार्टअप जुड़े हुए हैं। हम उनको प्रमोट कर सकते हैं विजिट करने के लिए भी और एग्जिबिट करने के लिए भी। दैट वी कैन हेल्प।
10-12 यूनिवर्सिटीज मेंबर है हमारी, वो यूनिवर्सिटीज के बच्चों से जो उनके स्टार्टअप है या इनोवेशन उन्होंने किया है, उनको एग्जिबिट करने के लिए आई हैव सेपरेट मीटिंग विद देम एंड टॉक टू देम, तो वो एग्जिबिट भी कर सकते हैं।
Congratulations, ma'am. First of all, organizing this wonderful event. इंडिया में कुछ सालों पहले तो ये बड़ा एक ड्रीम सा हुआ करता था। I come from the handicraft sector. और handicraft के अंदर में actually हम लोग कुछ AI को यूज करने लगे हैं। So definitely I'm just looking forward कि how we and जो new team like new startups कुछ ideas हमारे पास में उनको और कैसे merge करके और practically ground के ऊपर में लेके आ सके। So
इसमें sir we have created pavilion to promote artisans also.
already
So there will be a separate pavilion for artisans, as well as we are also promoting this one district one product concept as well.
ODOP.
ODOP also.
Yeah.
So we will be we are expecting to have 70 odd booths of OTOP, plus artisans will definitely be promoting. So we are expecting 100 booths to be for this traditional and
How many you have already done it?
है काफी है वो तो जी इससे आ जाएगा ना वन डिस्ट्रिक्ट वन OTOP से आ जाएगा तो वो तो 70 उसी में कवर हो जाएगा।
Alright, तो इसके अंदर में मुझे अगर वो राइट कनेक्शन मिल जाए तो I can just think over it.
आप आइए से वहाँ पे एग्जिबिट करिए।
Yeah, I'm just coming. So I know this is more informative. So उसके अंदर में आपने जो पार्टिसिपेशन का पूछा है तो प्री इंफॉर्मेशन आ जाती है. We might put up about something like that.
By attending this, I think it will be a more a vision opener and seeing a new horizon. And it's a great move you've taken to enlighten everyone.
हम लोग तो जो भी राजस्थान चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स से जो भी सहयोग होगा वो आपको मिलेगा।
इधर से एक बार सुन लेते हैं। I'm a pediatric therapist. I will try that if I can do something for my kids in robotics. So I will definitely see first of all and how I can join it, and I will see because there are three things in my mind when I start listening you. Second, how I can join you, like in a workshop or to participate as in like telling you about these things to be in Rajasthan and kind of things. So, and the last one, yes, definitely it is informative, always in coming in RCCI. But this time, this might be helpful for those children as well who is already working in this being CP. They are CP children, but they are working in this robotics things. So, I try to get them and talk to them regarding this. Sure, definitely, maybe they will come. Sure, thank you. Definitely, I will join this. Thank you so much.
To be very honest, this time I'll just be attending the workshops and understanding. Maybe next time if I'll ask me this question, I'll definitely give you an answer. I didn't contribute in this or that way, but
मैम आपका एंटिटी है क्या थोड़ा सा बताएंगे?
Basically, my entity, I'm basically a portal exporter of a lot of Indian products, but usually it's ceramic and stone and natural stone.
So you don't want to promote your brand over there?
Not right now because we actually am also into startups. I think I just started like things are very music training institute ki chain. Actually, I am a chef professional. I had this earlier. Now I'm trying to start a salad bar on wheels kind of a thing in Gurgaon. So basically, I'm into everything but first I come and I join your workshops. Maybe next time I can come and I can participate with something very interesting.
I think she's also a panelist in yes.
So hi, very nice workshop, and until this we would have had this opportunity from RCCI, many of us would not have even known about it. So my business is more of, so I'm basically having a preschool and I do early child education. So since I feel the industries which are not tech-driven or which are having certain setups, fail to kind of connect with these kinds of exhibitions, this would of course be learning opportunities in terms of certain people who are using certain technologies to maybe reach out or develop certain modules for these young kids to reach out in different areas. So for us at this point, I think it is going to be more about learning through certain workshops and being around in the atmosphere to first understand what is it in this particular industry, how tech has suited it. So for us right now, I look at it more as a learning opportunity. People just be a part of it, attend certain workshops, and see what is happening into our industry.
Most welcome. You should come and join the program. Most welcome.
How can I contribute in this? But in my friends over there, I really passed this masters.
That would be great, and actually I was about to come to that point also because you can definitely refer a few more people because I think today I was expecting more crowd to be here, but somehow maybe any of the reason. But definitely we can refer each other तो जिसको भी आपको लगे कि उसको आना चाहिए यहाँ पे या अपने प्रोडक्ट को प्रमोट करना चाहिए, so they should definitely. I'll tell you one live example of mine. See, I am associated with AICRA since past 10 years. मैंने अपनी जर्नी में इतना देखा है कि जिस भी कंपनी ने हमारे एग्जिबिट किया है या किसी भी तरह से पार्टिसिपेट किया है हमारे इवेंट में, उन्होंने इतना फ्लरिश किया है. दे हैव एक्सेल्ड इन ऑल टाइप, लाइक मे बी वो पहले रेंटल स्पेस पे थे, नाउ दे हैव मूव्ड टू देयर ओन बिग ऑफिसेस. तो बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी वी प्रोवाइड टू एवरीवन एंड इट्स एक्चुअली वी आर अ नॉन प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. तो हम लोग कुछ भी अपने लिए नहीं करते हैं, हम जो भी कर रहे हैं आपके लिए कर रहे हैं, और आप जब तक हमें सपोर्ट नहीं करेंगे हम इसमें सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो पाएंगे. तो आप आइए, वी कैन डिस्कस. आई हैव ऑलरेडी ऑफर्ड सर्टेन डिस्काउंट्स. कुछ और भी बेनिफिट चाहिए, सो वी आर ओपन टू डू दैट. वी हैव फुल बोथ आर्म्स ओपन. आप आइए, जो चाहिए हम देंगे. yes.
Along with discounts or any special
Sure. हाँ जी, मैं जरूर शेयर करूँगी. Thank you so much for your time and coming here, and definitely I expect lot of support from RCCI. Thank you so much.
आज तारीख 10 है और मेरे ख्याल से आज का दिन बड़ा शुभ है. शुभ इस संदर्भ में है, हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब जो चाहते हैं कि वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट, और उसके दो नमूने हमने देखा. ईशा भट्टागर महाजन और अनिल सचदेवी, दोनों विभूतियाँ ही समझता हूँ मैं. यहाँ आएंगे अपने अपने जीव पोर्टल के बारे में. ईशा जी ने बताया स्टार्टअप महाकुंभ के बारे में, इन्होंने पूरी विवेचना की. इन्होंने इतना भी कहा कि वो भी जो दिक्कतें हैं उसके मामले में ईशा जी जो दिक्कतें बताएंगी जीव पोर्टल में, उसको पूरी करने के लिए कोशिश करेंगे. आपने जितनी रियायत हमने मांगी उसकी रियायत आपने दी. ये भी अलाव किया, राजस्थान चैम्बर के 10 डेलीगेट अगर जाते हैं उसकी व्यवस्था पूरी वर्कशॉप में घूमने की, जितने भी वहाँ के एग्जिबिट्स हैं उसमें जाने की एक इजाज़त इन्होंने देने की कृपा की है. आप दोनों को मालूम होगा. आगे ईशा जी आप भी तरह और धन्यवाद के साथ